Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Toyota Tacoma horn. First, let's start by checking the basics. Locate your fuse box and inspect the horn fuse. A blown fuse is a common culprit. Next, find the horn relay and ensure it's working correctly. Finally, test the horn button itself to confirm it's making proper contact when pressed. These initial steps often reveal the problem quickly. Now, let's focus on the horn unit itself. You'll typically find it mounted behind the front grille or bumper. Visually inspect it for any signs of damage, rust, or loose connections. To confirm if the horn is faulty, disconnect it and carefully apply 12 volts directly from your battery to the horn's terminals. If it doesn't sound, the horn unit likely needs replacement. If the fuse, relay, and horn unit seem fine, the issue might be in the wiring. Carefully trace the wires from the horn button, through the relay, and all the way to the horn itself. Look for any signs of wear, cuts, or corrosion. Also, make sure all ground connections are clean and tightly secured. A poor ground can prevent the horn from working, even if everything else is functional. Once you've identified the faulty component, whether it's a fuse, relay, the horn unit, or a section of wiring, proceed with its replacement. Ensure all new parts are installed correctly and all connections are tight. After reassembling everything, give your horn a good test. Press the button several times to confirm it's working reliably and consistently. You've successfully fixed your Tacoma's horn.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.